Ikaw lang ang siyang dahilan, kaya puso ko'y tumatignan. Tayo, bakit talaga? Ako'y nagtitiwala sa'yo, kalakasan ko'y nanggagaling sa'yo. Ako'y nagtitiwala, ako'y nagtitiwala sa'yo.
And then you have to tell everyone. And then also pray in the Spirit. Why is it important? Why is it about praying in the Spirit? Also speaking about the praying, not your own needs. We have to pray for the what God's will is. And then you see Matthew 6:33. If you seek His kingdom and His righteousness, then the Lord will take care of your everything. According to, if you do in His kingdom and then His righteousness, the Lord care of your things. This is the truth in the Bible. It's not easy. Because Pastor I pray and promise. You know, Pastor is not easy. I'm not going to eat. I'm not going to visit. I'm not going to salesman. I'm not going to high school. I say only home. Then you see your home, I think, only nothing like that. I do only prayer. Through prayer. Other church, they pray. I don't know why. But our church, we open in here, 2025, and the September 29, 21, we start open. And the Lord gave another miracle. And then we made another church in the Kuyan. How many pastors need to like that? Because they also pray. But all the time we have to get prayer. Because in this area, in this place, if you pray, the answer the prayer, the prayer answer prayer, it is important. Even you go to church, and then many hearing the sermon, and then there's no changing. Please say, please members, it's no good. It's not good. It's not living God. It's not living God. If you see our church is living God, why I say, when you open our church, 450, 450, only communion, the Lord said 480 people, 480 people, and then our leaders, and then the person said, Pastor, we thinking about 1,000 members. Can be, because this is our vision in our church. Because our church is living God needs to be our church, not other places. This is important. Why? Pastor, pray. And then live in the Spirit, and then answer the prayer of God. Why other people can do that? They are living in the Spirit. They are only asking worldly things. I ask what is the benefit of our believers? Ours is to belonging. Okay, do you see the bodies of these people? Jesus healed. The source of these people, Jesus healed. The speech of these people, Jesus healed. These people, Jesus healed. The hearts of these people, Jesus healed. The minds of these people, Jesus healed. Their circumstances, Jesus gives strength. These people, Jesus healed the one who here, Jesus healed the one here, Jesus healed the one here, Jesus healed the one here. Jesus gives strength. These people, Jesus remove headaches.